This is Phil Carrion off the GridLock, and we are out here today showing off our tent. I'm doing a review on the Overland Vehicle Systems Mamba 3 tent. We've had it for about a month. This is usually the first step right here. I gotta open my rear gate. It's the only way to access the two clips. I do this. I don't know, does this count as the actual setup time opening the gates? We'll see. So I've got this latch right here that I do, and there's one on the other side. You don't have to come to the other side. And then in probably 4 seconds, it'll be fully deployed. And there it is right there. This little bungee cord helps to bring it down when it awning poles help. Usually I go like this. So at this point, it is actually 100% deployed. These things are optional. It helps, obviously, if you have wind or you have excessive sun coming down through here. Very easy to put on. It goes into these holes. You just make sure that the hook is pointed in the right direction. Goes in this grommets, and there you go. We also have our sleeping bags already in this, so they're already in there. So how many was that? Less than a minute. I start right there. I do it like this, so bottom to the top. And I have tried it the other way. This is the best way. And then just a little bit space there. Then it extends there. Test it out. There we go. Up. And I am ready to take my nap in 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm asleep. I just woke up from my nap. I straightened out the sleeping bags, come down the tent. It's probably better to come down this ladder facing the car, but I'll just leave that there. That'll be the last thing I put up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this down. Awning poles come first. I'll just throw them in there. Now I know, per instructions, these awning brackets should be in the front, and I'll probably put them there sometime this week. Maybe that's why one of the awning poles broke, but we'll see. Okay, now I take this bungee cord, and this helps to suck in the sides. There is also two eyelets in there that you can put a bungee cord. The inside, I don't have those yet. That helps to retract when we pull it down. There's this cord here, or there's this strap here for easy pull down, and it's very easy to do. At this point, we grab the handle here. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this now. Start tucking it off. I'm gonna get this side. This probably, if there's any difficult part of this at all, it's this part right here. And what I mean by difficult, I just mean it's more time consuming than any other part of setting this up. I'll lean on it like this. That's latches shut. Same thing on the other side. Oh, and I did forget one thing. I forgot the shoe bags, and then ladder coming down, pull it off, and I don't put the ladder in there. I just go ahead and put it back in the truck. I think I will try putting the ladder in there the next time that I do it, just so that it's got a place for it. But it's easy. It's the Overland Vehicle Systems Mamba 3 tent. The specs of it, I'll show right here, or the specs of it. The important specs of it is the weight, which is 250 pounds. So a little on the heavy side compared to what's out there. Right now you can get it on their website for just under 3,000. You know, it's 3,000 plus tax. I had Caesar over at Cruiser Tech and his crew install it. It's for the most part self-explanatory. You do have to have a roof rack already on your roof, so that was an added expense. In my case, I have a Prinsu, and it went right on. It's there's 4 connecting points right now. There's 4 anchor points, and like 2 in the front, and they go on one rail, 2 in the back, and they go on one rail. Also, you have the option to put the rails on top of the tent, and maybe I'll find the need to put maybe solar panels up there. We've used it many times already, and the convenience of it is probably its strongest suit.